playing. No, she's fingers sinking.
Play again.
Emma.
Play the song because we're going to...
The day it's been like a year and a half when you and I sat in Grandpa's car.
In the red minivan.
You're amazing.
And we sat in
You're not even looking when you play. Oh my God, you're the most amazing baby on the internet.
I think about that.
Wow.
Because we laughed so hard.
That's crazy.
And we started making up these stupid stories about what those people do on the internet.
Woo!
That was funny.
Computer still work?
Yeah.
Boy, that's working okay, huh? That is so cool. It's just like she's sitting in my head.
Okay, say something amazing to the camera.
Hey, baby.
Say something to Miley Cyrus.
I hate you.